Phobia warning. If you are scared of snakes, then please don't watch this video. Hey folks, JD here, and today we've got this. This is a little bit different. This is carrying on the 10 toys for Christmas. This is toy number 2. This is a remote control snake. So, why John? Why? Well, why not? So, what we're going to do is we're going to have a little look at this guy. I've often seen these and I've thought, I wonder how good these actually are. So, what we've got at the start here, we just taken everything out. It comes with some watch batteries, comes with a charger, and these watch batteries, I'm guessing it's one battery per thing. So there's 3 batteries in total. Carefully don't lose those. And that is everything you get in this box. So, let's have a little look at this this snake. Articulated. You can see the different lines working its way down him. So you can see exactly where his movement lies. He has a number of different wheels underneath him. The only ones which are powered are the ones at the front. These have got rubber on them, so help them to drag along the floor, along the laminate, or along the tile. And then you've got these 3 sets here working its way. It's 4 sets working its way down his back, which will give him extra movement as he's moving along, and obviously that very snake-esque movement as well. There's a bit of a tongue there, rubberized tongue, doesn't move. Oh, I think it might, as he's going along, it might poke out as he's coming along. We'll have a little look at that. Infrared receiver on the top, just standard little eyes on the side there as well. Controlled by this little thing, this little leg. So you have forward movements left and right as well, and also you have to put the batteries in, which require 3 batteries. This snake has a battery inside it already, and its charging port is just on the first segment of him here, and his on and off button is there as well next to that. So we're going to charge him up and we're going to give him a go as well in a couple of minutes. His movement looks quite good. Looks alright. I'm really intrigued to see how this guy does, how long the battery life is for, excuse me, and exactly if he is quite snake-esque or if this is actually not going to be very good. I'm quite looking forward to it. There's not a lot in this pack. Let's get this guy charged up, and then when that's ready, let's go and do a little test run of this little cartoon snake. Right, so here we have it. Wiggly snake, and the battery's now in this. So what I'm going to do is pop on the snake and put him on the floor and push go and see how far we get. Oh, is he on? Is he off? I don't know. Let's look. He's off. He was on. Oh, look at him. Oh, God. You've got to hold him down. Where's he going? Where are you going, fella? Come back to me. So what you do is you push go with this one button in front here, right? And then you just directionally move him left and right. But you've got to give him a look at him. It's brilliant. And you've got to give him quite a bit of a space to move. See, for him to turn. Look at him go. Oh, mate, that is fantastic. And his little tongue is poking out. Come on, on you go. But when he's moving in a straight line, wow, he's funny. Look at him. And then when you go to turn him, oh no, stop little sneaky man. So you've got 3 modes on the side, A, B and C. So let's try him, that was mode A. Mode B, mode C. You have to recalibrate him, I think, for those different modes, because he's not responding to either of them. Maybe for if you have 3 of them in the same house, then perhaps you can use them on different frequencies so that they don't get jammed up and they don't interfere with each other. Look at him go, though. Such a little gimmicky, funny thing. He's having trouble turning left. I think maybe the battery might be going. Oh, maybe not. Look at that. See, he does take a while to turn, but when he does now kick out. Come on, turn. Oh, look at him go. That movement is actually really quite good. Go on, fella. Whoa, look at him go. That movement is hilarious. Oh, that is brilliant. I like something when they look at nature and they think to themselves, you know what, we can recreate that in a toy. Oh. And that movement is actually, it's not bang on, but it's pretty close. And I'm guessing this guy's meant to be a rattler, because he's got his little rattle on his tail there. So I'm guessing he's meant to be a little rattlesnake. Whatever he's meant to be, I'm going to say rattler. Oh, he's not turning, see? Whether I'm doing this wrong, so let's do it again now, and let's click him. It's better if you click him rather than keep your finger on it. If you click him, seems to be a lot better, a lot more responsive to turning rather than if what I was doing, which is just clicking and holding. Oh, this thing is hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. Look at him go. Oh, what's he doing? No. Gets a bit confused when he's turning right. Or is it me that's getting confused when I'm turning right? No, let's bring him out into the floor a bit more. You do need a bit of space for this. My small living room is not great for him. You get the idea though. That's fantastic. That is absolutely fantastic. Come on, turn. He wasn't turning then. I was clicking, he wasn't turning. Come on, back out you come. Oh, yeah, you need less obstructions, more room. But he's handling it really well. Look at him go. Come on, turn. Go. Oh, this thing is brilliant. That motion is fantastic. That motion is absolutely fantastic. And he's doing surprisingly well. These rubberized wheels at the front here are really giving him grip when moving. These other wheels as well are very fluid. And all in all, are proving that gives him the right amount of movement to make him look like a realistic snake. Oh, that's brilliant. Come on. No, can't get yourself out of there. Okay, back down here you come. I think the batteries may be going, he's losing responsiveness. So the 3 batteries that you get in the pack are just for this transmitter. His little chargeable battery, I think he was on charge for about 8 minutes, 8 to 9 minutes perhaps. Oh, lost the button. Oh, there we go. About 8 minutes or so. And surprisingly, this little egg to hold in your hand is surprisingly nice and comfy. The buttons are easy to push as well. But wow, he's just hilarious. Now this is better. If I click and hold now, he's more responsive if I keep him a lot closer to me. Oh, look at that go. Absolutely hilarious. Oh, come on fella, turn. There we go. Yeah, you can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Couple of quid for this thing. Yeah, his battery life seems to be pretty good as well. No obstructions, and he's just going for it. Left and right. Fair play to him. And he's wiggling and slithering his way around the place. And it's great because when you stand above him, and no matter which angle you turn him, you can't see those black wheels at the front. They've done a really good job of hiding the majority of them, so it adds to its realism when he's moving. Look at him go though. Oh, that's fantastic. Well, you can't go wrong with that. Absolutely, I think that is brilliant. Alright then folks, so I tell you what, I'm going to leave it there and keep on playing with this guy until he runs out. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening, my friends. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy slithering.